How to check if iPhone touchscreen is working on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. Go to the Physical and Motor section and tap on Touch. Here, turn off the Touch Accommodations feature as shown. After that, go back and open up the App Store application. Go to the bottom right corner and tap on the search icon. In the search bar, type in Screen Test and tap on the Touch Screen Check app from the results. Then, tap on Open. From here, you can now tap and count the number of touches on your screen. Background color changes whenever the screen is touched. Total number of touches and coordinates of the last touch are calculated below. This provides an easy way to verify and demonstrate touchscreen issues. Following these steps, you can easily check if iPhone touchscreen is working on iPhone.